Hello, welcome to my another YouTube video. You can contact me for setting up your own SAP online remote access server. For example, this is your SAP server. Okay, you can have multiple clients located in different countries in the world. For example, this client is in US, this client is in UK, this client is in Japan, this client is in India, this client is in Australia. So I can set up the SAP server for you, and different clients from different locations can remotely connect to your SAP server through the SAP GUI and through Fiori. So different clients can remotely connect to your SAP server from all around the world. You can give access to your students, your customers, your different clients. You can use it for teaching and practice purpose. You can contact me for setting up this kind of SAP servers. It can be SAP ECC6 server, SAP S4HANA, or any other SAP server. You can contact me for different SAP installations. You can see many different SAP installations are already uploaded on my Google Drive. You can just contact me and I will share you the download link after the payment, and we can do the installation. You can see this is SAP IDS ECC6 EHP4. This is EHP8. This is EHP8 with master data with Fiori with lifetime validity. This is S4HANA 1809. This is 1909. This is 2021. This is 2022, 2023. This is just the SAP HANA database. So all the different SAP installations are available with me. You can just contact me and I can do the installation on your computer. I can even do the installation on a network on the cloud also. You can contact me. This is S4HANA 2023 with Service Pack 1 with EWM, with TM, with ADS, with Fiori, with lifetime validity, with ABAP development key. Okay, all the features are activated. This is SAP Solution Manager with HANA database. Many different SAP installations are available with me. You can just contact me and I can do many different type of setups for you. Thank you for watching the video.